y'all. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite girl, A.MaRee. And as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, you guys, we are gonna cook our first Hello Fresh meal. Well, it's not my first, but it's my first showing you guys how I prepare my Hello Fresh meal. So I think it's pronounced the Shea Bueno chicken spaghetti with great tomatoes and Italian herbs. So I'm showing you guys what comes in this HelloFresh box. This is one meal. I do order for 4 because I feed a family of 4, but I am going to move on to 6. I most likely will. But just showing you guys what comes in the box, the ingredients. It's going to be grape tomatoes. I think it's pronounced scallions, garlic, chopped chicken breast, Italian seasoning, spaghetti, cream sauce base, cream cheese, and Parmesan cheese is what the ingredients take. I love HelloFresh because HelloFresh does give you the ingredients as well as the step-by-step instructions. You guys, I am not big on cooking. I really don't like to cook, but these HelloFresh meals have been helping me out, and it has opened our eyes to new dishes. So I absolutely love it. If you guys are interested in a HelloFresh meal or to get a coupon for a box yourself for your home, I will have coupon codes down below, and it is first come, first serve. If the coupon does not work, then that means somebody else already got it. But I do love the step-by-step. This spaghetti takes 5 minutes to prep, 25 minutes to cook, and if anybody is interested, it's only 870 calories. Okay, now like I said, this HelloFresh has been opening up me and my family's our taste palette. I'm sorry, it has, because I don't cook 5-star meals or anything like that, but this has shown us that I can cook these type of meals and they come out good. And I love the fact that they give you the recipe card that goes with each meal, because even if you don't continue to do HelloFresh, if you have any of the I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of. Keep up with your recipe logs that they give you in the box. You can always go to the store and purchase these ingredients to make that same meal later on, if that makes sense. And you can make more than what HelloFresh called for. Since I got a family of 4, I could actually get all these ingredients and kind of amp up the amount of ingredients so that I can make it for a family of 8, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. But here on HelloFresh instructions, they tell you to rinse off and paper towel dry everything. And I really thought it was like almost impossible to do the chicken, as you could tell. So me doing that part was like, I shouldn't have did this, because it was sticking to the paper towel, and I didn't even think in the moment to wet the paper towel, then try to quote unquote dry it off. So that was my fault. I told y'all I'm not a cooker, but I did try to go and follow every single step. I'm not being sponsored by HelloFresh or anything like that. I just wanted to share with y'all the new journey that we have taken on in this household. So that's the reason why I'm showing y'all this cook with me. This is not my first meal, but it's my first meal on camera. If you guys would like to see more HelloFresh meals on my channel, let me know down below, and I will, constantly do them. I do get 4 meals a week, and I could go higher or lower, but I decided to do 4 a week, and that blends in with the regular meals that I'm gonna cook throughout the week anyway, or however I see fit that works for me and my family. I did use other ingredients that was not included in here. I use my own seasonings, my own olive oil, the Chef's Life olive oil. I think that one's pretty good. I do a lot of couponing, so that's where that olive oil came from. But I think I know for a fact my family loves them. We enjoy it because I'm on my third week of HelloFresh, and we haven't tried a meal yet that we have not liked, honestly. And I love HelloFresh because you could choose what meals you want to try out. Now you can up your meals by getting meals that cost a little extra. They have certain meals each week that is outside of your base pay, and you can add those to your meals and just pay the extra, which I think I did this fall. No, the week coming, I did add something that's different. Or should I talk about a smile? Now, I don't have no aesthetic pleasing cookware or anything like that, so y'all get the regular schmegular daily mom, okay? Y'all get what I got. So please don't talk about me. How I love you, keep you here with me, your baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one step, one step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me. Let me know if you guys have tried HelloFresh or been wanting to try HelloFresh. I have seen other companies that I said I do want to try out, but HelloFresh was the one that stuck out to me most. So that's the one I decided to try first. I know Peyton Charles here on YouTube was one of the bigger influencers that were getting HelloFresh. And I was like, you know what? She brags about it. Let me try it and let me see if my family loves it. I just knew it would be something different. I didn't think that I was going to really like it. I didn't think that my family was really going to like it. Shockingly enough, baby, we love us some HelloFresh, okay? Now, a lot of people do say, like, oh my God, it's too much for just a week. Like, it's expensive. But come on, y'all. Real talk, everything has went up. If you go into a grocery store right now to buy food for the week, you're going to spend more than $160. You're going to spend more than $80. Like, you're going to spend money. So I kind of think that it's worth it. And you get everything extremely fresh. I did do a meal that had steak included, and y'all, when I say that steak was so tender, so juicy, oh my God, it was, you could tell the difference in the freshness. And that's one thing I do love about HelloFresh. My icebox, what I call an icebox, we call it icebox here down in Texas. Y'all probably call it the refrigerator. Y'all, my icebox is like HelloFresh has taken over, okay? So if HelloFresh do want to sponsor me, baby, don't be shy. Hit up the email, okay? Hit up the email, because baby, we love HelloFresh over here. Y'all will see my kids at the end tasting out this food, and it was super easy. I can't even lie, it was super easy to put this meal together. And this type of meal I would have never thought to do, I promise you. And it's only because I'm not big on cooking. I have about a good hot 7 meals I know how to cook. Ask my family, ask my kids. Don't be that they give you a free item for life with every order. So this last box that I received, we had got Belgian waffles. You get to choose your free item. But I had got Belgian waffles. I just got in avocado toast, avocado and pineapple toast for our breakfast. I did get bacon, avocado toast, and the Belgian waffles so far because I got 3 boxes. I did make some rolls to go on the side that did not come in the Hello Fresh, but here you have it, you guys. That is my chicken spaghetti, and it was so good. Watch my boys. I made them try it first. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all want more cooking videos like this. I will do it. But thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know if you're going to use a coupon code down below. And I'll just catch y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Deuces. Nothing but a roll in your house.